In this video, I'm going to show you one of the cool things about WordPress, the fact of it being really flexible, because we can use WordPress as our mini site. This is the template we were using with the prior video on, on creating a mini site within WordPress where you're incorporating the header, the footer, and the links and all that kind of stuff. Well, this one here, this is the same template, the same sales page, only you would think this is just on its own. But if you look up here at the URL, that is page number 35 of our WordPress blog. How cool is that? Let me show you how we did this. It's really simple. We're going to use a little bit of that code we used in that prior video, this one right here, but all we need this time around is just this, so we can let the WordPress blog know that what we're going to be making is part of the blog. It's a template, and we're going to change the name this time too. So let's go ahead and copy this into our clipboard. Get this guy out of here. Come on to our sales page we're going to be editing, and let's go to the source code here. Now this time we're going to use the whole page. We're going to leave the images intact, everything. Simple Simon, you got your sales page. Click, click, bang, we're done. So right up here at the very top, right above doc type, so to get there we just put our cursor right in front, hit enter a couple of times, go right above that, paste that code in here. Go ahead and change the name now before we forget. Not that I would. And then we're going to call it, what are we going to call it? Let's say front page. And again, the name does not matter, obviously, as I showed you in the prior video, but name it something that's specific to that page would be a good idea. Right in here, I'm going to add a link to our blog's home page. And we're going to get the link to our blog's home page like this. Just right click, and I'm using Firefox, so that's how I'm able to do this. The same way in other browsers, just a little bit different. Then left click on copy link location, and then come on back here and then make this text clickable to that particular location on our blog. Come on up here to link, paste, open in a new page or new window, click on OK, and let's go ahead and bold that up to make it look a little pretty. Okay, now then we want to take this whole thing, so we got to add that code again, but we got the link in there. Did that hold true? Okay, now we want to add that code back in here at the very top. Copy, paste, change the name to whatever you want. Now we're going to right click, left click on select all, right click, copy to our clipboard, and let's get a blank text document up here, right click, paste, and then again oh, and by the way, what I did here was I went ahead and created absolute URLs rather than just the image going to the image folder. This way, no matter where the images are located at, because just having the images slash footer in the URL, it would have to have the images folder in that particular theme. This way, with having the absolute URL, it can be anywhere. So that's why I did it this way. And now then, we want to save this. Go on here to File, Save As. We're going to save in the same spot we did the other page for the interior part of our blog. But we're going to change this to All Files. Give this a name here. Let's go with front page. .php is the important part. Make sure it says .php at the end and that you're in all files. Click on Save. Now then we need to navigate to our blog, then go to the theme of the blog we're going to be uploading this page to, and then we upload here, and from this point on it's pretty much the same way as we did with the sales page here. So we got that uploaded. Come on back here to our site. Now we got to create a page just like we did before, and the title is whatever we're going to have showing up on our navigation link. So we can go with front page, sales page, whatever you want to call it. And then we want to select the template, and that was front page. Click on Publish. Now this time we're not going to have the elements of the blog. It's just going to be the sales page. So if we come back here and refresh, we should have another tab up here called Front Page. And there we are. That is our sales page intact, background images, all the images, no referencing to the blog whatsoever, element-wise, but we do have this link right here that if done properly, it'll take us to the home page. Bam, there we are. And that, folks, is how you can create a mini site out of your blog. And with that link on the mini site, you're able to still have the use of the blog. And in either case, so you're still going to be benefiting from the WordPress love that Google has and other search engines. So that's one of the main reasons why you would want to do this anyway, is to enjoy the search engine optimization benefits by having your mini site using WordPress format. That's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.